Something's not working right now. Hello, I'm Jamie, this is Anti-Chef, and today is an Eggplant Extravaganza. Two recipes today. First one, cover a Plenty Cookbook. That is eggplant in buttermilk sauce with pomegranate. Looks tasty, I've always wanted to do it. Today's the day. Second, the croquettes. No, that's not a 60s rock band. That is eggplant croquettes, breaded and fried. I can hardly wait. To the kitchen. Preheat the oven to 400. Cut the eggplant in half lengthwise. Make 3 or 4 parallel incisions. Place the eggplant halves cut side up on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush them with olive oil. Sprinkle with lemon, thyme leaves, and salt and pepper. Roast for 35 to 40 minutes. While the eggplants are in the oven, cut the pomegranate in 2 horizontally. Fold 1/2 over a bowl with the cut side on your palm. Use the back of a wooden spoon to gently knock out the pomegranate seeds. Continue beating with increasing power. I have to go with my stronger hand. This works like gangbusters. No more. So whisk the sauce. 4.5 tablespoons of buttermilk and a half. Good thing I bought a whole carton of buttermilk for those 4.5 tablespoons. 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. 3/4 of a tablespoon of olive oil. A pinch of salt. 1/2 clove of garlic. Whisk together. Pretty good. Keep cold until needed. Onto the croquettes. Pierced. Put them on a foil-lined tray. 1 hour. Burning these eggplants, they're looking like they're in pretty rough shape here. The skin is breaking off and they're sticking to the foil. These are frickin' burnt, man. The eggplants need to deflate completely. So we've got a little bit of a... This one's deflated. This is... I think I should take this one off. That's one deflated egg. Oh, it fell on my toe. I'm just reading now that I'm supposed to have this potato already baked, already peeled, and already mashed before I even get started on everything else. So I'm gonna quickly do that. I'm not gonna lie, the microwave may get involved here. Hey Siri, what's the quickest way to cook a peeled potato?
Here's what I found on the web for what's the quickest way to cook a peeled potatoes. Have a look.
I wish you'd just tell me.
Start by taking a sharp knife and carefully run the blade around the middle of the potato. Do be careful not to cut yourself and try and get the line to meet up on the other side.
Oh yeah. Need to mash this. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh. I think we're good. 1 beaten egg. Parmesan. Salt. Pepper. Bring everything together gently with a fork. Add about half the breadcrumbs. Forgot about the feta. They're gonna be cheesy. There's nothing wrong with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll each portion into a thick sausage that is about 1 inch in diameter. Sprinkle the remaining breadcrumbs on your work surface and roll the sausage in them so they are completely coated. Cut each sausage into 2 1/4 inch long barrel-shaped pieces. pouring enough frying oil into a frying pan to come about 3 1/4 inches up the sides. Not again. All right, let's go. Crank it till it's glimmering. Please turn out, please turn out, please turn out, please turn out. I'm not gonna stand so close next time. Almost friggin' burnt the house down. Something's not working right now. Because they're not turning out. I don't know what to do to make this work. They're so weak. How is this supposed to stick together? What did I do wrong? I did everything that the book said. Everything. And they're still not sticking together in the oil. They fall apart as soon as I take them out. Are you serious? They're just turning into blobs. Like, do they need more breadcrumbs? Nice and gently, I'm adding it into the oil. Look at that, nice and gently. It has no reason to fall apart.
Et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
It doesn't look like that. How do we eat this?
I don't know, it just looks like decoration. Oh, crap.
It all fell out. All the filling. Ew.
It looks like squashed bananas.
It's not bad.
It's not good. Let's try the croquettes. Anything's a welcome change.
They're kind of like gourmet mozzarella sticks. To be honest, I think I may prefer mozzarella sticks. Do you like these?
Not really.
Presentation wise, you struggled tonight, I think.
Taste-wise?
Taste wise, you also struggled.
Verdict's in. I don't like deep frying. I'm not gonna do it again for a while. Actually, I don't like eggplant either. I don't know why I chose 2 recipes with it in it. This Yotam Ottolenghi, his recipes are not for the faint of heart. I don't even know what I did wrong. If you were able to pick up what I screwed up with, comment down below. I'll see you next week. Should we order takeout?